Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Easter cutout. This is a paint by line, which means that all the lines you see here are etched into the cutout for you by the machine, so you don't have to worry about freehanding anything, and it makes these projects much easier. So I'm going in with Dixie Belle Blue to paint my background for my bunny. Just going over my lettering because it's easier for me to do that and then paint the lettering than to try to do super precise outlining. I'm painting my bunny in the color Cotton by Dixie Belle, and you guys, the brushes, the paint, and the cutouts that I'm painting on, you can purchase all of these at buildacross.com, a one-stop shop. And I love Dixie Belle paint, you guys, because it is the best coverage I've ever found in paint. So my top three colors I usually recommend to get started with is Putty, Cotton, and Savannah Mist, and you'll see that I use them in almost every single cutout. I am using soft pink for the inside of my bunny's ears. I'll also use soft pink for my bunny's nose. And then I'm just going to go in and dry everything a little bit with my heat gun, kind of focusing on my lettering at the top because I want that to be dry so that I can go in and begin to fill that paint in. And I'm using a Peacock for that. And anytime I do lettering, I pretty much use either a number 4 or number 6 round. They're smaller brushes, and it definitely makes it easier to get these more detailed spots. And I always use a round when I'm detailing. It goes on smoother and just has a more, I don't know, an easier kind of to get around these details. And I'm just going to go in and dry everything a little bit so that I'm able to outline. And I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline everything. It's definitely my favorite tool to outline with, but if you prefer, you can go in with a number 4 round and some paint. But again, this is my favorite. And then once I'm done outlining, I'll just highlight, and that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.